Hello guys, Mehul here, back again with another new video, and today I gonna give you a great resources that is free, and you can get 1,000 plus 3D asset from here. So let's get straight into it, and obviously this is gonna be in Figma. So something you should keep in mind. I'm a Figma user, Figma lover, so obviously it will be in Figma. I want to switch from Figma. That's another thing, but let's get into the video. So here is our today's resources. That resource, not resources, resource, because obviously it's a single file that is 3,000 plus 3D illustrations, icons, and logos in one Figma file. So it's great, and this is made by Grady Graph, maybe. So let's just see it. Okay, so here is our pack, but as you can see, those icons are not something they have made, though. Like what they have done is actually they have gathered all of the free resources into one file. So either way, it will be helpful to us. So as you can see, they have used hands here, those colorful hands, and these are the collection of hands by Icons 8. And this is another icon that I know, another icon library that I can remember, but I have forget their name actually. And other stuffs, as you can see, and here is the weather icons that if you search on Figma community you will easily get it. Weather icons, here should be another weather icon. If I'm not here, another way, no, no, it is not the weather icon. Where is another weather icon? Whatever, I can see one here. Here are some medical icons as well. So this is also another 3D library that is already available, but they have done a great job of patching up everything into one. Here is another weather icon, as I have told you. So yeah, great thing. And here you can get five type of characters, I think. Let's see: character 1, character 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Actually you're getting 6 characters all in one. And a great thing is some of the characters seems to be Indian, like this guy looks like a South Indian people. Or and what is it? PR with like uh, rather than having an Apple laptop. No, Apples are not laptop, they are MacBook. This guy have peer, whatever. So yeah, basically those are great. And here is another Indian woman, I can see it. Here is a peer also. So the both of them belongs to same library. You can obviously understand from that. So yeah, great resource. So I will obviously provide the link to you to be able to duplicate this file and use it in your Figma project. It would be great, because now you don't have to go through all of the other file systems and look for all of the 3D, like icons or characters, illustrations, to use it in your next project. You can just open one file, that is this, and bring everything that you need. So great thing. So that's it for this video. I will obviously provide a link. If you like my videos in general, please do subscribe to my channel. And if you know about some of the great resources like this, anything related to design, coding, open source APIs, any great apps, website, please let me know about all of them in the comment section so I can feature them in my future videos. So bye for now.